So if you didn't hear the last video's announcement, we are moving out of the shop fairly quickly. I got a few more videos I'm going to be doing in here, and then we're going to be transitioning over to the new place that we closed in a few weeks on that one. And kind of in all my organization and that kind of stuff, I came across a box of inventory. I have been shipping out mallets for all of y'all that bought one in the beginning of the production run last week. I have a handful left I'm about to send to the puffing wheel that aren't accounted for. So if you're interested in one of those, all those sales are really helping me out in closing. But I am such a bad business person. I did not know I had this many saw handles left. About 5-6 years ago, I did a production run when I was teaching, going through that beginning course to kind of fund that whole series of work because, you know, AdSense doesn't pay much. And I was advocating for these Stanley Sharptooth saws. I just went online on Amazon. They're on sale. They sell for about 20 bucks. And these are actually pretty good, except the handles suck. So I basically made two different versions, one for 26-inch saws, one for 20-inch saws, that you could basically take these. I did not pre-drill them holes. I give instructions for that one because different series, they had holes in different spots. But it's very easy to do. Just use the saw plate you have right here, transfer the holes there. You don't even have to recess the holes, and use the standard hardware. The thicknesses and stuff were designed it. But I built these off of D7 Distons right there, so that they're really comfortable. And I did not put a lot of finish on them because I expected people to customize these. Well, I've been selling, you know, one or two every few months for years. I just didn't realize I had another box of them set out back. I thought I was getting kind of low on them. So in order to kind of subsidize a little bit more of this title work and fees and stuff that's coming out, I'm putting these on sale. We're going to blow through these. I used to sell them for 40 bucks. I'm going to have them let's say 20 bucks plus $7 for shipping. $27, I'll lower the price on these. So shipping is including on those. So if you want a really good, cheap saw that will last you a good long time, and you never have to sharpen, it's kind of like the Japanese ones, you just replace the blades. You can buy these for less than 20 bucks on Amazon right now, 27 for those, so less than 50 bucks will get you a good saw that'll last you a good long time. Me personally, I have a really nice rip saw, no Disston, but I've been using these Stanleys for my cross-cutting saws because they just work really well. Here's the first one I've been using for years, and I have the shorter one that I keep in the back of my truck so I can break down 2x12s for my truck bed. So, been using them. You'll see me use them on videos. Highly customizable. Sand them, shape them to your hands, and you'll have a pretty good saw. But just keeping a quick update for the sale on these. Yeah. Take a good look. Won't be here too much longer. Y'all be safe, have fun, and remember, it's always worth the effort to learn, create stuff, and share it with others.